Hi guys, am I audible? Am I audible, guys? That's great, Ramya, Rishu. Hi, Zulekha. Okay, let me just check the learner count pretty quick. Okay, the learners are still joining, I'm seeing. So, guys, let's just do one thing. Let's wait for 5 minutes more. Right now it is 8 p.m. So, exactly at 8:05, we will start the session. Some learners are still joining. Let them join and we will start. Okay? Just 5 minutes more, guys. Okay, guys, so now it's 8:05. Now we can start the session. First, send me the screenshot of what error you are getting. Okay? The approach which I'm seeing, that is correct. If you want, just give me a moment. Let me just check it on my another compiler as well. Just give me a moment, okay? And guys, hi guys, hello everyone. How are you all doing over here? How is everyone doing over here? Till then, you
We are
guys let
fine,
me know
ma'am.
about
How are
that.
you?
I'm also doing great. Okay, player name. Okay, let me just run this one. There was one mistake which I have done correctly. One parenthesis was extra that I have done. It is running, and let me tell you, sir, what is the issue over here, okay? Sorry, Saswat. It's working correct. It's working fine for me, Saswat. It is not showing any kind of error. False and true, I have told you guys in the last session as well. In false and true, they are the keywords. They are getting used only for the Boolean part only. If you want to make it string, you have to put this inside the quotes. Okay, Vivek? Interrupted by the user. Interrupted by the user. This is user interruption. Your compiler is not working properly. Okay, you got interrupted as a user. That is not a code issue. There is no issue in the code. Okay. Yes, there was an extra parenthesis which I have removed. Just check it once. There is no issue in the code itself. Okay. Okay, everyone. So today we are going to start the week 2 of our Python bootcamp. Are you guys excited? Are you all excited? Great, everyone. Rectified code. Give me a second, huh? I just deleted that still. Control and sit. Array. Good evening, John. Given. I have sent you the code, Saswat. Great, guys, that you all are excited. That's really great. So let's start. Let's start our week number 2, okay? Okay, so guys, the agenda for our week number 2 is going to be again the 7 parts. So the for our today's session, what we are going to learn: part 1, data type comparison game. Obviously, we are going to play one game first. That is going to be a challenge for the end of the week. Then we will be learning about the pre-quiz. I will be giving you guys a pre-quiz link. Then part number 2 is going to be mathematical operations in Python, and part 3 comparison operators and the logical operators. And for tomorrow's session, we will be learning about part 4, control flow part 1, if and elif statements, and control flow part 2, if, elif, and else statements. And for the last session for this week, that will be on Wednesday 9 p.m. IST, we will be learning about part 6 and part 7. Part 6 is going to be data type comparison game and the post quiz, and part 7 is going to be review and the final recap. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. But first of all, before starting any part, so let me introduce you guys to the AI tool of the week, ChatGPT. So I hope everyone knows about ChatGPT, our everyday brain, right? Everyone knows about ChatGPT, na? Whenever we get stuck, we often turn to it for the quick answers. So let's have some fun and see how ChatGPT can help us, not just in coding, but in general problem solving as well. Also, every week, we will explore a new AI tool. So stay tuned for more, guys. Yes, the first AI model, let me just open ChatGPT. So guys, this is my ChatGPT over here. You guys are already familiar with that. So let's ask what fact? Hi ChatGPT, can you tell me a fun fact about Python? Sure, Python was named after a comedy group, not the snake. And what was our comedy group name? Monty Python's Flying Circus. It can answer me anything. You guys already know about that as well. Or what can I ask? What's the most interesting AI tool apart from you? See? Runway ML, the AI toolkit for the creators. See, it is telling you by the Adobe Creative Suite powered by AI. It is just like that. It is giving you that what is most interesting AI tool apart from me as well. Can you explain me what are data types? I can just ask anything and it will answer me everything. Yeah, that was my mistake, guys, because here I did a mistake. Instead of data, it was typed as ADTA. But what I can do, I can edit it. Just edit the message, make it data, stop it, send it again. Now it will tell me about the data types. So guys, this is ChatGPT. You guys can ask anything, anytime to ChatGPT, and you guys will get all the answers. I hope everyone likes ChatGPT over here. I hope everyone likes ChatGPT. Tell me, guys, everyone likes ChatGPT, na? Very good, Ramya, Krishna, Aishwarya, Aswin. It's number one. Yes, it's number one. Yes, Navya, Zulekha. Okay, that's great, guys. That's great. So let's just close ChatGPT for now, and now we will move forward and we will meet ChatGPT again, but the end of this week now on Wednesday session. Yes, ChatGPT is our bestie. We are going to learn about perplexity also as well in one of our weeks. ChatGPT has yes, yes, yes. Okay, everyone. So now it's time for our part number one, which is going to be the challenge first of all, and challenge is going to be data type comparison game this time. So let me just show you guys that game. Here it is. Let me connect. Give me a moment. Manage the sessions. Terminate. Close. Okay. Now it will work. Connect. Yes. It got connected. Now I will run it. Run anyway. Okay. Who wants to try this with me? Who wants to try this data type comparison game over here? Okay, let's take your name only, Saswat. Okay. Are the values 42 and 3.14 of the same type? Enter your guess. Yes or no? Okay, let's put the answer no. Yes, the correct answer is no. Very good. After that, are the values hello and world of the same type? Are the values hello and word of the same type? Very good. Yes. The correct answer is yes. Now, are the values true and 42 of the same type? True and 42. No? Are you sure? What about others? Others also answer. Are they
Yeah.
of same type or not?
No, ma'am. No, that is right.
Okay.
Oh,
Very good. Now, 3.14 and 3.14?
same. Yes.
Yes. Thanks for playing the data type comparison game. So this is the thing which we are going to create at the end of this week. This time we are going to make the comparison game. So are you guys excited to create this comparison game with me now?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Everyone is clear with the output? Everyone is clear with the output? Come on, you guys know the first rule of my class. Everyone have to answer over here. Right? Yes, yes, yes. You are going. You are correct, Saswat. Great, guys. Okay, guys. So let me just close this notebook for now. And now, guys, it's time for your pre-quiz. Let me just send you guys a pre-quiz link. Guys, I have sent the pre-quiz link. Did you all receive it? Did you all receive it? Great. Okay, everyone. Please perform your pre-quiz and let me know your answers once done. Let me, not the answer, sorry, your marks once done. I will be on the mute. You guys do it and just post your answer, post your marks in the chat box. Sneha, I'm on mute as I'm giving you guys the time to fill your uh, pre-quiz, okay? To attempt your pre-quiz. Okay, Sneha? Please attempt it. And everyone, please let me know your marks once done.
Seven, ma'am.
Very good. Sure, you can have the link. Just give me a moment. Here is the link. And guys, it's already 8:25. I'm giving you guys 2 or 3 minutes more. Please just complete your pre-quiz. Let me know your marks, and then we will move forward. Okay? Just 2 or 3 minutes more. Not a issue, Saswat. We are going to learn all of the things which are given in your pre-quiz in the classes, and in post-quiz you can perform well, okay? Don't worry about that. We are not doing that for the marks. We are doing it for our own understanding. Okay, Saswat? Okay, I guess everyone is done. So, Hidul, only you are left here. Please complete it and let me know when it's done. That's really great, Saswat. This time also you will score the perfect 10. First, let's just learn about all the concepts and you will score it very well. Yes, it will happen, Saswat. It will. Guys, I'm just waiting for Tohidul. Just a minute more, guys, and then we will start. Sorry about that, guys. Tohidul, are you done? Yes, yes. Bangalore's weather is a little. Okay, that's great, Tohidul. Okay, guys, so now we can move forward. Now we can move forward, guys. So now we are going to move to our next part. That is part number 2, mathematical operations in Python. So guys, here what we are going to do, we are going to learn about basic arithmetic operations, order of the operation, that is PIMDIS, and advanced arithmetic operations in Python. So let's do the concept step by step. So first of all, let's learn about mathematical operations in Python, the basic arithmetic ones. So mathematical operations allow you to perform the calculations such as adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing the numbers. Python provides basic and advanced arithmetic operations to handle different types of calculations very easily. So we are having the basic arithmetic operations first. So first of all, I'm going to start with addition. The most basic one, adding two things together. So addition, it combines two or more numbers to get their total or the sum. And like a person wants to calculate their total phone bill for a month, which includes the base plan and the additional data charges. Now. So let's just create this example only over here and to show you guys. Let me just connect also so that I will run my code. Okay. So base plan and additional data charges. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take two variables. First of all, a variable for the base plan. So base plan is equal to, let's say, 499. Monthly base plan cost in rupees 99. And then take additional data. Let's say it as 199. Extra data charges. Now, total bill. For total bill, what I have to do, I just have to add both of them together and I will get my answer. That is going to be base plan plus additional plan. Now, how will I print it? Oh, additional data. Now, how will I print it? Yes, total bill. Just print the total bill. Very good, Saswat. And just like that, we will get our answer. Just like that, we will get our answer. This is addition. Now, similarly, like addition, guys, we have subtraction. Similar thing, we have subtraction. Now, subtraction takes one number away from another to find the difference between them. Now, a customer has a total bill of rupees 1000. Rupees 1000 at a store. They make a partial payment of rupees 800. Now the storekeeper wants to calculate how much money is still owed by the customer, the remaining balance. So that I will get with the help of subtraction. Let's see how. So for that, let's take a total bill this time. Let's say total bill is 1000 and payment which he has done is 800. Now, guys, how will I get the remaining part? How will I get the remaining money? How do I have to do the subtraction? Can anyone tell? How will I do the subtraction over here? Anyone? Yes, total bill minus payment. So I will just put balance is equal to total bill minus payment. And just print it. We will get a answer. Everyone is clear with addition and subtraction? Everyone is clear with addition and subtraction? Any doubt? Great, guys. Excuse me, guys. I'm so sorry about that. Okay. Okay, guys. So now let's move forward. Now the next operator which we are going to work is on multiplication. Oh, give me a moment. It's got placed over here. Yeah. Multiplication. Now multiplication, it is going to find the total when a number is repeated a certain number of times. Repeated addition. Now, an employee earns 200 rupees for each hour they work. They do 5 extra hours of overtime and want to calculate the total overtime pay. So, what I will do, let me take the hourly rate. What is hourly rate? 200 rupees. What is how many extra hours? 5. So, what will be the overtime pay? That will be hourly rate multiply, asterisk sign is a multiplication sign in Python, multiply extra hours. Just print the overtime pay and we got the answer. Thousands. This is multiplication. Yes. Very good, Saswat. Very good, Ramya. And after that, guys, the last basic one is, can anyone guess? Can anyone guess what will be the last basic one? Addition is done, subtraction is done, multiplication is done. One more is there in the basic part. Can anyone? Yes, division. So now we are going to learn about the division. Now, division splits a number into equal parts or groups, finding how many times one number fits into another. Now, in Python, division returns only a float as the output to handle all possible division cases. So always remember, you are always going to get your answer in the float only whenever you are going to use division in Python, including known-whole results as well. This ensures consistency across calculation even if the result happens to be a whole number. Okay. A group of friends shares a restaurant bill of 1200 equally among the 4 people. So they want to know how much each person needs to pay. Okay, let's just calculate it then. Total bill is equal to 1200. Number of people, how many are they? 4. Amount per person is going to be what? How will I calculate? How will I calculate? Very good, Saswat. Total bill divided by number of people.
Ma'am, it has to be.
Sorry?
Ma'am, it has to be there in a brackets or we can write it as such.
No, I'm not using brackets. You guys can write it as such also. If you are going to do multi-line as we discussed in the last week, then you guys can use the brackets if it is a long equation. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now just print amount per person. Total spelling is wrong. Clumsy me. Total amount per person. 300.0. You guys can see the answer. You guys can see it is in the float. It is in the float. Even though when we are going to divide it, 1200 divide 4, that is 300 per person. That is a whole number. But then also I'm getting my answer as float. And that is the condition of division in Python. I hope everyone is clear with all these 4.
Ma'am, that means we are only going to get it in decimals all the times.
Yes. For division, always float. Okay? Is everyone clear? Come on, everyone. I need response from each and every one of you in the chat box. Yes, you're correct. In another programming languages, you still have to do that, but Python is a very easy language if you're going to compare with another. Okay, everyone. Now, let me just start with another concept. That is the order of the operations. So, in Python, we have the order operation as this. PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Okay, so guys, we will do it, but let me just make it a little interesting for you guys. So let it be like that. Heading is clear, but let me make it little interesting. Let me just teach you guys in my own way. Okay, so PEMDAS, na guys, I call it as the magic rule of math, the magic rule of mathematics. Yes, that is same only. B means brackets, P means parenthesis. Same thing only, Saswat. Okay, so guys, I'm giving you one equation. 2 plus 3 multiply 4. Tell me what will be the answer. Calculate it and tell me the answer.
14.
14, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Someone is saying 10, someone is saying 24, someone is saying 16, someone is saying 20, 14. Okay.
Because multiplication first and then addition.
Okay, I got you. I got you, Sudha. Okay, but here now, I know most of you are giving me the correct answer, but some of you are there who is still confused at how it is going. Right. Well, Python, guys, it follows a specific rule to decide which operation comes first, and that rule is known as PIMDEF. So I have a very easy thing, very easy way to make you guys remember about this order, which I also used to use when I was a pregnant. I used to call it as please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So this phrase I used to learn. Oh, guys, you guys will not be able to see this, right? Let me just do one thing. I will just write it over here. Okay. Now, guys, see P E M D A S. With that, you guys can remember it if you guys will be having any kind of issues with just remembering the order. Just remember this line, the first initials, just grab the first initials of each and every one, and that is your order. Okay? You guys can just remember it. It is a trick how to remember that order. Now, let's see what is given over here as well. When you write a complex math expression in Python or any programming language, Python follows a specific order to solve it. This is called this, PIMDIS. Now, which helps avoid the confusion and ensures everyone calculates in the same way. So, P for parenthesis. Solve what's inside the parenthesis first. Next, solve any exponents. E for exponents, any exponents like squaring or raising a number to a power. Then MD means multiplication and division. Then do it from left to right. You have to go in this direction. Always, always left to right. Then addition and subtraction at the end. Do addition and subtraction from left to right again in the order they appear. Now, why is it important? Why is it important? Because it makes sure that Python and people follow the same steps when solving a math expression. Without this, you might get different answers for the same problem depending on how you solve it. Like I gave you guys one equation. Most of you were correct. You were giving me answer 14. But some of you were there who were giving me 16, 20 as the answer as well. Why? Because they were not following the way. They were not following the correct way, the correct order. So that is why we are having the same as order is there, so that we will not do it wrong. We will not do it wrong anymore, right? So before starting the concept, before starting coding, I would just like to know: are you guys clear with this? Are you guys clear with the order?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now, guys, we have the parenthesis first. Solve inside the parenthesis first. Now, for example, a person buys two items for rupees 50 and 30. First, we calculate the total cost inside the parenthesis. Let's say total is equal to parenthesis 50 plus 30 into 2. Now, Multiplication comes first or addition comes first? Which comes first, multiplication or addition?
No, first
According to the rule.
parenthesis.
First parenthesis.
I'm just asking between multiplication and addition.
Multiplication.
Multiplication comes first. But right now we have parenthesis, and parenthesis is the first part. Under parenthesis, we are having the addition, which comes after multiplication. But that doesn't matter now because it is inside parenthesis, so it is going to get solved first. Okay? Just print the total. And you will get 50 plus 30, 80. 80 into 2? 160. And this is what we are getting as our answer. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Any doubt?
If there is double star, double asterisk sign.
Only one asterisk sign is there. And
Yeah.
this one asterisk sign is used for multiplication.
If in case there is a double star, double asterisk sign.
We are going to learn about that only next.
Ma'am,
Okay?
ma'am,
Yes,
one doubt, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
a
tell me.
person buys 2 items. So if we without Python, if we see that, so he bought 2 items, right? One is 50 and 30. If you're going to calculate, it is going to be 80.
Yes. That
Then
is
how
correct.
come it is coming as 160 here?
Because I am multiplying it by 2 on my own to show you guys the power of parenthesis.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Okay?
I thought that.
Not a problem. No, not a problem. I know these kind of questions will come, and I'm ready to answer each and every type of question in my classes. Don't worry. Every type of question is welcome in my sessions.
No, see, the answer is 80, right? For that question,
Yes.
the answer is 80. Yeah.
Yes, for that answer will be 80.
If in case star 2 is also in parenthesis.
Let's try that.
No,
Now,
in
different parentheses.
Yeah.
Are you talking like that?
Yes, in between plus sign.
Like this?
Yes.
That is
So
incorrect. That is incorrect. See, I am getting the right line. You are putting 2 basic operators together.
Okay, before star we can write any like 4.
Any number you can put. 4 into 2.
Yeah.
So what will happen? 50 plus 30, it will happen first. Then it will happen. Then they will get added together.
So
both parentheses will get solved now first.
Okay, so the rule run from left to right, not from right to left.
Always left to right.
Left to right. Okay.
Yes. Now let me just make it. Okay. Also, this is also a very good question. If it will be like that, what do you guys think? What will be the answer now? Can anyone answer me? This is the whole parenthesis now. Anyone? And yes, Saraswati, you are correct.
110.
110, sure.
Sure.
And how will that be?
See, first, it's left to right. So we are no right. That means right. That multiplication division, we are going from left to right.
We are going from left to right. That is correct. But we are going to check the order also.
Yeah. See, that means like left to right means 30 into 2 is 60. 60 plus 50 is gonna be 110.
Very good. Very good, guys. Now you got it. Now you got the order. Very good, guys. Let me just make it correct again. And now you guys got the order. That's great, Saswat. Okay. Now, guys, let's talk about.
It's very easy, ma'am. When you're going to give the solution, the problem, it is really tough for us to write the code. Right now, we are following right nicely.
Yes. I told you guys the last week, na? I told you guys the last week, right? It will take a little time. Right now, you guys are following, right? I will give you guys one question today also to solve in the session. Let's see that time how you guys will do. Okay? Yes, from easy to complex we are going, and with that you guys are making the base. Explain the last problem once. So, Pinakshi, just give me a moment. Okay, Meenakshi, what I was saying, parenthesis, which okay. So for that now, what I did now, Meenakshi, I put each and everything inside the parenthesis. Now multiplication, if we will check the order, multiplication comes first, and then addition comes. And now they all are in the parenthesis. Now. So first multiplication will get solved, then addition, and then I will get the answer. Okay, Meenakshi? Great. Okay, guys, so now let's talk about exponential. Exponents, that is E. Solve the powers next. Now, a person has a square with each side measuring the 4 units, 4 meters, 4 feet. So, want to find the area of the square, which tells us how much space the square covers. Area is equals to side into side of the area, that is side square. Yes, there comes your double asterisk sign, the power. What is the side? 4. Let's just take side is equals to 4. Area is equals to side. Double asterisk sign for the power, 2. I'm just adding a comment. In mathematics, you guys must be knowing about that. That is side 2. This means that. It means that. Okay? Now just print the area. 60. Clear with double asterisk sign now, guys? Everyone was very curious about double asterisk sign. Everyone is clear now?
Yeah, can you solve that question you given as PQs related to exponential?
Sorry?
Can you no write that code, execute that code which you have given in the PQs for exponential?
Just give me a moment, huh? Let me just open the prequiz myself. I will just copy the code and paste it over here, okay?
Yeah.
Are you talking about question number 2? What will be the result of the expression, the question number 2? Are you talking about that?
Yes, that one only.
Okay, let me just get that. Do you want me to solve it
Yeah.
in front of you guys, or with the pen and with pen first, or do you guys just want me to write down in the code?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, let me just show you guys first this, and then we will do it with the help of pen also. I will show you guys with pen. Okay.
Okay.
Answer is 12.0. Okay. So guys, what is happening? First of all, parenthesis. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Then power 2. What is 6 power 2?
36.
What is 6 power 2? 36. Now 36 divide 3. 12. And it is division, so answer will be 12.0.
So double star act as a power, right?
Yes, that is what I said.
Okay.
Now clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If there is any date, please, if there is any doubt, please let me know. Damn it. Oh, not a problem, Saswat. Any doubts? Don't worry about that. You're still learning now. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, let me just give you guys one more example for this, because I am seeing that you guys are very interested in double asterisk sign.
Ma'am, can you please explain it once again?
Yeah, I'm explaining it once again. I was just getting one more example, but first let me explain it. So first of all, parentheses, according to the order, parentheses will get solved no matter what is present inside it. So 4 plus 2, 6. After that, power. Power exponents comes before the divide and multiplication. So 6 power, what is this? 2. 6 power 2, 36. Now 36 divide 3. That is 12. So, but in Python, division gives you answer always in float. So answer will be 12.0.
So how we are deciding like this is a power like from double star?
Yeah, double star is a sign of power only in Python.
Okay, and the single star is simple multiplication.
Yes.
Okay.
Great. Now everyone clear? Great. Okay, guys, so give me the answer for this cube of a number. You guys are going to write down the code for that now. In this example, we calculated the cube of a number using the exponential operator, double asterisk sign in Python. A cube of a number means multiplying the number by itself 3 times. Give me the answer. Give me the code for that, quickly. I'm asking about the proper code, guys. So guys, how we are going to write down the code? First, I will take a variable in which I'm going to store it. Then I'm going to take the result in which I'm going to put it x double asterisk sign 3 and then print the answer, print the result. Okay? Like this we are going to do.
If we keep,
Now I hope everyone is clear.
yeah, if we
Yes.
keep 3 asterisk sign.
3 asterisk signs. Let me show you. Can you see this red line? That means an error. There is no sign as 3 asterisk signs in Python.
Okay.
Okay? Great. Now guys, after that we have multiplication and division. Now, what does from left to right mean? In multiplication and division, as well as addition and subtraction. As well as addition and subtraction. When both operations appear in the same expression, Python and mathematics solves them from left to right. This means you perform the operations in the order they appear, starting from the left side of the expression and moving to the right side. A person works 6 hours a day for 5 days and wants to know the total hours worked. Also, they want to divide the hours equally between the 2 tasks. So, how I'm going to create that? First of all, the total hours. What will be the total hours, guys? What will be the total hours? How will I calculate the total hours?
That means 6 into 5.
Yes, very good. Just do 6 into 5. Now, hours per task. That will be total hours divide 2. Because it is given in the statement. Yes. Now, just print it. First of all, just print your total hours. And then print your hours per task. Okay? Hours per task. Clear? Great. After that, guys, we have addition and subtraction from left to right. Now, a person receives 1,000 rupees as salary, spends 200 on groceries and 150 on transportation. How much money is left? Give me the equation for it. Give me the equation for it. How will I do it? Give me the equation, guys. Give me the equation. How will I solve it?
Ma'am, that means x equal to 1000. Okay.
Yes.
And the second, the total expenditure equal to 200 into 150. 200 plus 150.
Very good.
And the third one is going to be, so for example, B equal to expenditure. Okay. So B, A is going to be the total. A minus B is equal to the result.
Yes. Very good. So, Saswat has given me a very good response. That will be salary minus this. Let me just make it spent money left after that, and I will just make it a little correct. Going to make it money left is equals to, and now what are we going to do? Salary. What is salary? 1,000 rupees. Groceries. He spent 200 on groceries, and on transportation he spent 150. This is the equation over here. Just run it and we will get our answer as 650. Very good, guys. Very good, everyone. Now, guys, the next part is floor division. Advanced arithmetic operations, guys. Advanced arithmetic operations. So first of all, here I'm going to teach you guys about the floor division. Now, floor division gives the whole number from division, ignoring any decimal part. Ignoring any decimal part. Okay. Tell me what will be 15 divide 4? What will be 15 divide 4? If I will just divide 15 divide 4, what will be the answer? 15 divide 4.
So it's going to be 3.
It is gonna be something 3.30. So 3.7 or 8 something it is going to be, right? 3.75.
3.8. 3.8.
Yeah, 3.8 it is going to be, right? So if I will do the simple division, I will get this answer. But if I'm going to do the float division, I will just get my answer as 3. It is just going to get the answer which is before decimal. It is just going to skip the decimal part. This is your float division. Okay? As simple as that. Just before decimal part, it will print. After decimal part, it is going to skip. That is float division. Remainder is the next part. First we have float division. A shopkeeper has 50 chocolates and want to distribute them equally into 8 gift packs. How many chocolates will each gift pack get? Ignoring any leftover chocolates. What I will do? Chocolates
equal to 50.
Yes.
And so gift bags equal
is
to
equals
8.
to
8. Print. Chocolates double slash bags.
Very good. I'm getting my answer as 6. And what will be the actual answer if I will do 50 divide 8? Actual answer will be 6.25. So 25.25, it is ignoring. It is only taking, actual answer will be 6.25 if we will divide 50 and 8. So it is just taking 6 and it is ignoring the after decimal part. That is float division. Everyone clear with float division?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now, guys, here comes now. Yes, that's what. Now here comes the remainder part, which is known as modulus in Python. It gives you the remainder when one number is divided by the another. Now, our teacher has 29 students in class and wants to divide them equally into the 5 groups. Each group must have the same number of students. After forming the groups, the teacher wants to know how many students will not fit into the group. So, these are the leftover students. So, now what I will do? Can anyone tell me the code again?
So total student equal to 29
Total is equal to 29. Next,
and a group equal to 5.
groups is equals to 5. Now,
So print
yes.
total double slash group.
Are you sure? Double slash. I just
Yeah,
want to know about the remaining students.
Oh, remaining today. Oh, total divided by group then.
Are you sure divided? It will be
modulus.
modulus group.
Okay.
We just want to know about the remainder. 4 students will be remaining at
Can
the
we-
end.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, got it.
Got it?
Can we
Everyone clear?
can we store third variable? Can we get third variable?
Yes. Remaining is equals to Control X, put it here, Control C, Control V. Done. Okay?
Can we use that advanced divide and this modulus both together in a single line of code?
Yes.
Like
That depends upon the calculation what you gonna do. Okay, just give me a second, Krishna. I'm doing your part as well.
Ma'am, actually in the same thing, right? Like we are going to do that as a print in brackets. Total double slash group is going to give you the value.
Yes, it is gonna give me the value as well. Just give me a moment, huh? First, let me just give her the answer. 5 divide 29. So, guys, always remember this is the rule of remainder in analytical skills. In analytical skills, we teach that thing. If we are going to divide like that. So, always remember if numerator is less than the denominator, always the remainder answer will be numerator. If numerator is less than the denominator, then the answer for the remainder is numerator only. Are you guys clear with that? Are you guys clear with that?
Ma'am, what? Repeat, ma'am. That means?
Let me just write it down. This is numerator. This is numerator.
Okay, ma'am. The down is a denominator. That means you are telling that even if you're going to divide by this and this, the first one is less, then the answer is going to be 5.
Yes. If numerator, let me just write it down over here as a comment, okay? If numerator is less than denominator, and the modulus, which is known as remainder, will be numerator. Okay? I've added.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay? That is for the remainder only, Saswat. That was for the remainder only. Let me just do that also. Let it be over here. I will show you guys that in the next block. Now, if I will divide them, I'm getting my answer because the answer anyhow I'm going to get in float only. I will get my answer as 0. Okay? What simple way you are talking about? Because how will you divide 5 into 29 parts? How will you divide 5 into 29 parts? You will be if you want divide 5 into 29 parts, they will be in 0.0000 something, right? So it is just getting the value which is before that, See, 0.1724. It is ignoring the decimal part and the value which is before decimal that it is printing. 0. Most welcome. Most welcome. Oh, I got it. Great. Okay, yeah, I had a question from Minakshi, I guess, in the chat. Where it is? That will be 20.0, Minakshi. Float every time gives you answer in float only. Division always in float. Yes, Nitesh, you want to say something?
Oh, how come 5 modulus 29? How come 5?
That is the rule. That is the rule. That rule only I have written over here. If numerator is less than denominator, the remainder will be numerator only.
That is for modulus or divide both.
Only divide, only modulus.
Then why
That
it is
is
coming for divide 0?
for divide C. It is giving 0.17. It is getting divided.
Below that, ma'am, 5 by 5d divide 29.
Ignoring decimal. Ignoring decimal.
Modulus. So 5 divided by 29. Why 5? Why not 4, 3? Why not? So it will
It is just the question which I got from you guys.
it will give numerator. If
Okay, see.
yeah,
If I will put 28 also, it will give me 28 as answer.
it gives
Because it is
numerator.
less than 29.
Okay, it's a
Okay.
rule.
I hope everyone is clear with this now.
No, ma'am, everyone is confused. Ma'am, just from starting, what is happening here? Like if we are normal dividing, then it is printing what, and like one by one you tell us, then we can like be less confused.
Yeah. One by one only I told. Arpan, see here. I was telling you guys about the remainder part, right? So this is the just rule of remainder which you guys should know. If numerator is less than denominator, numerator is only going to be your answer for the remainder part. That is just for remainder. And here it will to get divided now. 5 divide 29. Check on your calculator as well. Same answer you guys will get. And float division, its work is that only to remove the decimal part.
So, ma'am, above something else was happening, right? Only that it was ignoring decimal part and printing only that. Okay, that
Yeah,
is
float
like
division
more or
work is
less.
that only. It was going to ignore the decimal part from the division. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, you are correct, Sohidul. Let me just do it. Yeah. Don't get confused in that, guys. That is why I have done all of these things in the different differences. Okay? Yes, you are correct. Modulus means remainder only, Meenakshi. Now, are you guys clear? Nitesh, Arpan, and Saswat, you want to say something? Please, you can unmute yourself.
So my question is like we have done the addition part for calculating the bill. Suppose a
Yes.
person wants to calculate his electrical bill annually and he has the bill of each month
Yes.
starting from January to December. And in general, we would do like
Your voice is
this,
breaking, Saswat. I'm not able to hear you. Your voice is breaking.
is
Your
it
voice is breaking very badly. Can you please type it?
is it
Your voice is breaking very badly, Saswat. Yes, voice is not clear, right? Yes, voice is breaking. Others also saying the same. You just type in the chat box, I will answer. Okay? And guys, now I have a little challenge for all of you. So, problem statement, build a simple calculator. Create a Python program that takes two numbers as input from the user and performs the following operations. Addition, find the sum of two numbers. Subtraction, find the difference between the two numbers. Multiplication, find the product of the two numbers. And division, divide the first number by the second number. Instruction is store two numbers into different variables, say first number and second number. Use these variables to perform the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And example to perform the operation. Input given in variable first number is 10 and second number is 2. Addition, add the two number and show the result. Subtract the second number from the first number, show the result. Multiplication, multiply them, divide them, and list them. Display the result like that. So this thing now you guys are going to create. Now this thing you guys are going to create. Let me just give you guys a notebook. Okay, tell me, are you guys clear with the question? Are you all clear with the question? What about others?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about
Yes, ma'am.
others?
Yes.
Very good, very good. Okay, everyone, so I have sent you all the collab notebook. Rishu, what you have to do, you guys have to create a simple Python program that is going to take two numbers as input from the user. You have to use the input function and just apply addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on those two numbers, nothing else, and print them separately. Okay? Now, guys, it is 9:20. I'm giving you guys 5 minutes in total. At exact 9:25, I'm going to give you guys a solution. Okay? Try this on your own and give me the answer in the chat box. I will be on mute till then. Very good, Nitesh. I'm waiting for others' responses as well. Not a problem, Saswat. Very good. Very good, Saike, sir. Very good, Aishwarya. Very good, Ankita. Very good, guys. So now, guys, look at the screen. I'm giving you guys the answer for that. So here is a solution, taking the input from the user first number, second number, then performing the operations using the two variables, sum, difference, multiplication, division, and just printing all of them together. Just run this. Okay, give me the numbers, guys. Give me the numbers. Give me two difficult numbers, but make sure they are integers. Two difficult numbers, guys. Come on, guys. Give me two difficult numbers. 89 and 54. See, this is how we are getting the answer. Very good, Saswat, but I guess you have written this code in the chat box only, not on your coding screen. As I am seeing some mistakes over here, very visual mistakes are there. Yeah. Arpan, I was asking about integer because here we are taking integer and not float. Okay? Okay, Arpan? So guys, with that, our part number 2 is completed. Let me just give you guys a quick recap, and if you guys are having any doubts, you guys can just let me know. Okay? So guys, in part number 2, in that we explored mathematical operations in Python. We learned about basic arithmetic operations first: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then we learned about PEMDAS. I told you guys to learn it with the help of that phrase. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Then advanced arithmetics, float division, modulus, and final task, I gave you guys a coding problem statement to build a simple calculator using what we have learned. If there is any doubts in the whole part, please let me know, guys. Any doubts, anyone?
Does this modulus and floor
Modulus and?
comes in under PEMDAS?
I have showed you guys, right? Give me a moment. Here it is. PIMDAS. Yes. You can see, right? Like
Code
squaring or raising the power all comes under exponents.
scoring. Okay.
And
Okay, fine.
modulus is a division part, no? Yes. Modulus and remainder the remaining part. Like I am having 50 people. I want to group them together in the group of 3. 50 people, group of 3, I want to divide them. So how many people I can divide and how many will be left? The left people I will get to know with the help of modulus or remainder. Okay, Tohidul? Yeah. Any other doubts, anyone?
Ma'am, in
Yes.
this one, I have sent it to the doubt in that one, but everything comes nicely. But whether we can do the double that floor calculation in this itself?
Yeah. There you can just add it over here. The next part, just print the floor division also. Depends upon you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, great.
So that means how we have to write the code, ma'am. That means print.
Yeah,
So
just
first,
print
what
it.
we have to do? What, ma'am?
Like there is division result, first number, second number, na. Just
Okay.
you can just float division result, first number, double slash second number, and just print that line as well at the end. Okay. Okay, guys. So now I'm giving you guys a
One
5
doubt
minutes
is
of
there.
break.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Can we use that we are okay? You are using here this one. For my coding, I have used subtraction, addition word. So can we use
Yeah.
the
These are variable names
variable
only.
as a string, or for example, you have written as sum, right? So if we will like only the sum will be the variable, then in the printf syntax, the sum we can use it like a string, like sum of this number is this and this number is sum, like some
Yes.
both places we can
Yes.
use it. It will
Arpan,
treat as variable and string, right?
listen to me, please. Arpan, what is happening? The sum that is inside the quotes, and this sum, if I will take it only sum, not result, only sum as a variable name, that is different, and the thing which is inside the quotes, that is different. Okay, you can use that as well.
Okay, one code I have written. Can you see once like what mistake I have done? Getting some syntax error, like
Send me the code.
yeah. In this way also we can do it, huh? Or not?
First number, second number is addition. Addition, subtraction. Okay. Second number, first number. Don't put space. Sorry. Is a keyword. Is a keyword, Arpan.
Oh, is
Yes.
a keyword. Okay,
Yes,
so
is a keyword.
what you have used, ma'am, ever? It was in the, I think, question block only. That's
And
why.
also, what you have done a mistake. You are not using a f string over here. Use f
Oh,
string and
acha.
also make it like that. You have to make
Oh,
it
acha.
end over here. This is
End.
the mistake
Okay.
you are making.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay, let me just correct it and I will send you that in the chat box.
Suppose
Yes.
yeah, can I?
Yes, you can.
If I use to separate with comma, so or dot, and so do I have to keep under parentheses or just
Sorry?
if I have to keep some dot in between?
Just give me a second. I will just type what I have got to know. Like,
So is it is taking, right, ma'am? Like
Give
Is
me a
written.
give me a second. Give me a second. One by one, I will take the doubts. Give me a second, guys. Like this,
No, without F string, without F string.
without F string. Yeah, it is inside the quotes, na? So it can take. It is also the part of string.
Okay. Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
great. Very good, Mrinal.
Ma'am, when I type, I'm typing shift and that inverted that double commas, then
Hmm.
double commas is coming, and when I'm deleting, both are deleting in the last. So how
So that will
I
only happen, na? If you want single comma, just don't use shift. Don't use shift. Just print. Just press that icon only. Don't use shift.
then
Just press that key.
no. Like there are two things, right? A
You are
single and the
getting this
double.
like that, na? Both commas you are getting. Just do that.
Like with
Yeah,
that four
I know,
commas.
Arpan. That only comes. Shift. This will come, na?
This will
Don't
come and
don't
deleting
don't
both
delete
the.
it like that. First come out of this, then delete it.
Okay, that's
Okay?
fine. Okay, fine.
And Saswat,
So my code was right. Only that in that closing I have not done, and is
yes,
we can use it, right?
yes. And Saswat, the error which you are facing is you are not giving it as int in the starting. You are only giving them as input. That is taking 10 and 30 for 20, 30, whatever you are taking, the numbers also as strings. And then you are doing it a plus b. It is doing the string addition, that is known as concatenation, not the integer one. Okay, this is the issue. Great. Any other doubts? Any other doubts, guys?
If I have to bring and into second line, so
And
what? Into second line.
in second, like here you want to print and.
No, just I need to bring and into second line with
I
slash
didn't.
n, with slash n, right? Next line. Next line means
Oh,
slash
oh,
n.
oh, yeah. Oh, there I did the mistake. Yeah. Okay.
And I have to bring in second line and from and.
Command.
Yeah, from and.
There put the. Just there put that.
Ma'am, so can you please check what I sent the code? Is it right?
Yes, just give me a sec. I'm checking. 1, 2 plus 1. Yeah, it is correct. But that just that you are not taking the user input. You're just taking the numbers on your own. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Is it like it is right? Like the solution is
Yeah.
right. If you want to
Solution is
take
right.
the, yeah, if you want to take the user input, like we have to write it like your code.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Great, Saswat. Okay, guys. So now let's take a little break and then we will start part number 3. Okay? So
Okay,
right
ma'am.
now, what is the time? 9:36, ma'am. Okay, guys. 9:37. So okay, guys. So yeah. Okay, let's solve Zulekha's problem first. Then we will take a break. I'm so sorry, Zulekha. Where is your code? Here, I got it. Zulekha, you're not taking int. You're not taking int. You're only taking input. They are getting the user input is coming by default string, not the numbers, Zulekha. That is the issue. Okay? Yes, Aswath. You ask your problem now. Aswath? Yeah. Ask your question, Aswath.
Is the audio clear now?
Yeah, your audio is clear now. Tell me.
So the thing is that, like,
Just give me a second, Saswat, because break is getting delayed. You guys can take a break.
sure,
At 45, we are going to start part number 3, but I will take Saswat's out in the break only. Okay?
sure.
At 45, we will start part 3. Yes, Saswat, you can continue. I'm sorry about that.
No, it's fine. The thing is that as we did our calculations regarding the addition of bill of a person, suppose a person has a bill of 12 months and he has a bill of each and every month. So in general, we would be adding his bill like January plus February plus March plus April. But
Yes.
just a minute. सुन, I'm extremely sorry. मेरे को तेरे रूम में आने का कोई ज्यादा नहीं करना है. मेरे को सुन,
Saswat,
मेरे को तेरे रूम पे आने का कोई ज्यादा नहीं.
okay, you guys can take your break. Okay, guys, you guys can take your break, and I will also be on mute for 5 minutes now. At exact 45, we will start part number 3.
Hello.
Yes, Saswat.
Hello.
Yes, Saswat. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes,
So
Saswat.
the thing is that I'm so sorry. There is an interruption.
No
So
problem, no problem. Yes,
the
tell
thing
me.
is that in general, we would add the bill of January, February, March, April till December, but it would be very lengthy
Yes,
and very time taking as well. So what can be done to add it at once in a very short way? What's the code for that?
you guys are going to learn about the functions in your next coming week.
Okay, fine.
There, what we are going to do, we will just create one function. There, we will put everything in once, and then
Okay,
we can
fine.
reuse that code
Got it,
again and
got it,
again.
got
Okay?
it, got it, got it,
Got it? Great.
got it. Thank you.
Okay, then Saswat, you can also take a 5 minute break
Yes,
now. At
sure,
45, we will start.
sure.
Okay,
Thank you.
most welcome. It's not showing error to me, Tohidul. It's not showing error to me. It's correct only. Send me the screenshot. What kind of error you're getting? Send me the screenshot. And guys, breaks over. Is everyone here? Is everyone here? Can I get the quick response?
Yes, here, but still that error is coming. I pasted in the group. I know.
I'm so sorry. Who spoke? Who spoke? Can you please let me know again? Was that you?
It was me, ma'am.
Okay. There is a problem at STR and STR. Unsupported operand it is showing. Where is the unoperated operand? You have done some mistake either at the starting, either at the ending of it. Such, sorry, Arpan, please make them as the integers. You are not taking input as the integers. I've told that multiple times in the class now. Please declare it as int. That S
Sorry, ma'am.
caps
What
is
you
not
said?
a issue. That S caps is not a issue. That is a letter only. It is starting from letter. Issue is, Arpan, you are not putting int in the starting. You're not putting int in the starting there. That is by
Where?
default taking it as that what we call it as string. Make it int in the starting, then only it will take the number, na?
Okay, after putting that the number as an input, it is not understanding what kind of input it is.
Yes, yes. See,
So what I can
put
update
int.
here? What concept I'm missing?
Put
INT, where, ma'am?
int.
Okay, while taking the input, like integer input only. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Oh, that's why. Okay, fine. Hmm.
Okay. Okay, guys. So now we are going to start with our part number 3. So, guys, we are going to learn about comparison operators and the logical operators. So, first of all, let's talk about the comparison operators, guys. So, first of all, comparison operators in Python. Basically, as the name says, are used to compare the two values. They help you check if two numbers or variables are equal, not equal, greater than, or less than each other. The result of a comparison is always a Boolean value, either true, either false. Either true, either false. So we are having is equals to. The double is equals to we are having. Definition is the double is equals to operator checks if the two values are exactly the same. If they are equal, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. So now, real world example I am having is verifying the pins. And don't get confused between the single is equals to and double is equals to. Single is equals to, guys, we use it when we are assigning a value to a variable, and double is equals to we use when we are comparing a thing when we are comparing a thing. Okay? Don't get confused with single and double. Real world example is verifying the pins. When someone enters their ATM pin, it must match the stored pin to verify the access. Right? So let's take the stored pin and entered pin. Let's say stored pin is 1234. Entered pin is also 1234. Okay. Now print stored pin double is equals to entered pin. If I will run this, I am getting my answer as true. Why? Because they both are same. That is why answer as true. If I will make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, they are not equal, so my answer will be false. So for comparison, always you are going to get the answer as true or false only. Always the output is going to be true or false. Either true, either false. Everyone clear? Very good.
Ma'am, once again,
What?
explain double. What is the difference? Like first one is like the single equal to is inputting the value, like assigning a value, and the double one is comparing the.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
Comparing two values together, are they equal or not?
Okay, so if they were equal, it will like true, and otherwise it will be false. Okay, the
Yes.
same. Okay,
Yes. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
And guys, please do not write on my screen. Please do not write on my screen, guys. Consider it as a warning. And then guys, not is equals to. Not is equals to, definition is not is equals to, that we use it as the exclamation mark, and is equals to operator check if two values are different. If two values are different. If they are not if they are not equal, it returns true. Otherwise, false. Real world example, checking payment method. A store allows only card payments. The system needs to check if the customer payment method is not cash. So let's say payment method is credit card, but the restricted method is, let's say, cash. Okay. Now, print payment not is equals to cash. Now, are they both equal? Are they both equal? No.
No,
So what
ma'am.
will be the opposite of no? Yes. So what will be the answer of payment method not is equals to the restricted? What will be the answer for it?
True, ma'am. It will return as
Yes.
true.
Answer will be true. Answer will be true, Meenakshi. That is not is equals to. No problem. No problem, Meenakshi. After that, guys, we are having greater than. Now, greater than. Operator checks if the first value is larger than the second value. If it is, returns true, otherwise false. Real world example is checking the package weight. A package company checks if a parcel is above 5 kg to apply a special rate. Now let's say package weight is 9 and special rate is 6, limit weight. Limit weight is 5. You just make it correct. And here. Package weight greater than limit weight. Is it true? Is package weight greater than limit weight? Yes. That will be your answer. True. That is greater than. These operators are very easy, right? Operators are easy, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now for less than, comparing wallet balance with item price. You want to check if your wallet balance is less than the price of the book. So now you guys tell me the code. I will write down. Tell me the code. First, what should I write?
Comparing. So wallet balance.
Wallet
Wallet
balance
balance. What should I put? Wallet balance is equals to, what should I put?
500.
Okay. Next line.
Item price.
Okay, I'm just taking
Item
item
price.
is equals
Item
to,
price.
okay, is equals to, what should I put?
400.
400. Now,
Now print wallet balance should be less than.
like that only.
No, ma'am. Print bracket F string
And what that bracket is known as?
parenthesis.
Yes. Now what should I put?
F string and double inverted comma. What it is called, ma'am? Double quotes. Double quotes.
And what should I put in the inside the double quote?
Wallet balance is less than the item.
But here too I want to get my answer as false and true, na? So what I will put, I will just put the equation over here. Wallet balance
Okay.
less than book.
So here
Sorry,
F string we cannot
item.
use, ma'am.
You can use a string, that depends if you want to put. Sorry.
Okay, no, means here we are analyzing the this less than operator. So okay, F
Give me
string we
a
can
second.
use,
I'm
but in
doing.
bracket. Oh, okay, fine. In this way. Okay,
Is
so
wallet balance?
okay, so
You can
equation
just
we need
ask
to
the question.
put.
You can
Okay.
just ask a question over, na? Is wallet balance less than item price? And it will just print the answer for you.
Yes, ma'am. So equation we need to put in the bracket only, right?
Yes.
Like we cannot put something else in between or like the brackets and all.
Yeah.
We need to put
In
in
curly
bracket.
braces only. You
In
have to
curly
put.
braces only, not
Yes.
in simple parentheses, in curly
Yes.
braces, just
Yes.
like we are assigning the variables.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now, guys, I'm having the another thing which is greater than is equals to. Now, operator checks if the first value is larger than or is equal to the second value. If it is, it returns true, otherwise false. Now, a student needs at least 75% attendance to receive a course completion certificate. Yes, you're correct, Saswat. He just wanted me to use the F string, so I just used it. I just showed it how it can be. So,
Ma'am, for attendance is
Yes,
equal to 75.
Give me anything else number for attendance. Give me any other number.
60.
60. Okay. Now, required. What is required?
Completion. So completion.
75.
Yeah, required. Okay.
Now, just print attendance and just put the sign greater than is equals to required. Now, is attendance greater than is equals to required? Is it true or false?
False.
Very good. Done. And after that, what we have, less than is equals to. Now, I want to do a dam's water level must stay below or is equal to the safety limit. Sorry. So, let's say current is 50. Safety limit, let me put as 45. Print current less than is equals to safety. What will be the answer? True or false? True or false?
It's true.
It is false. Current is not less than is equals to safety. Okay? Current is not less than is equal to safety. Current is 50. It is greater than safety. It is not less than safety. Okay? And guys, what if, now let me show you guys one thing, because it is equals to as well, no? If I will put both of them as same, what will be the answer?
It's true.
Current.
It's true.
It's true, right? Yes, very good. Clear till this point, guys? Clear with the comparison operators? Everyone clear with the comparison operators? I need answers. Very good. And guys, it's 10 p.m. I will just take 15 to 20 minutes more from all of you and then we will wrap up, okay? Just 15 or 20 minutes more. Will that be okay with everyone? 15 or 20 minutes more? Can I have the consent from everyone over here? Quickly, please. Great. Yes, Remy, you're correct. Very good. Yes, you're correct, Tohidul. Okay, great. What I was going to do? Yeah. Here, guys, I have a summary table. I want all of you to go through the summary table. Take 2 minutes, and then we will start with the next part for today. Got it? Great, Saswat. What about others? Great. Okay, guys, so the last topic for today, that is going to be the logical operators. Now, what are logical operators in Python? These refers to a way of making decisions in a code by checking if certain conditions are true or false. It uses logical operators to combine multiple conditions and helps the program decide what to do next. Now, there are three main logical operators, guys: and, or, and not. And is all conditions must be true for the results to be true. Or at least one condition must be true for the result to be true. And not is reverse the truth value of a condition. Makes true becomes false, false becomes true. Guys, am I audible? Am I audible, guys?
No, yes, ma'am.
Now I'm audible. Okay, great. Okay, so let me just repeat. So what are logical operators? In Python, it refers to a way of making the decisions in code by checking if certain conditions are true or false. It uses the logical operators to combine the multiple conditions and helps the programs decide what to do next. We are having three main: and, or not. So let me just give you guys a little table for it. I'm just going to create a little table for all of you, which will help you remember. And, or, not. Okay, so guys, I am having, just give me a moment. I am having the conditions for that. T means true, F means false. I'm just taking the short form. Okay, so if both are true, for and, it will be true. If either one is false for the and, the answer will be false. True, false, 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 true, false, false, false is false. And in the or condition, True is true only. But either one should be true for the or. True, false, one is true, na? So answer will be true. False, true, one is true, so answer will be true. False, false. Nothing is true, so answer will be false. This is your and, this is the or condition. And for not, if true becomes false, true becomes false, false becomes true. This is a summary table for this and, or, and not. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear?
So, ma'am, in the
Yes.
not, that means if the real condition is true, then we are going to convert into reverse of false, right?
Yes, reverse. Not
That
means
means
reverse.
so that means we have to use the not if it is true.
Yes. Let me do one thing. I am just taking a screenshot of it. I'm sending you guys in the chat box. Okay. I'm sending you as a screenshot. Huh? That is my way of teaching. Okay. Everyone got the screenshot? I will send that screenshot in the. Give me a second. I guess I have added this. Let me just check. No, it is not there. Let me just send that in your WhatsApp group as well. I will just tell them to send you guys in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Ma'am, one small request, ma'am. Every session, whenever it is finished, you please put it onto the group so that we will copy it on our collab.
Yeah, you guys are getting the notes now in the collab every time.
Oh, like last 2 session it is there, ma'am?
Yes, in the group, you guys are getting all the notes and all in the WhatsApp
I'll check
group.
it, ma'am. I'll check it. Yeah.
Okay. I have sent in mine. They will send you guys in the WhatsApp group in some time. Okay. My team will forward it. I've sent. Most welcome. Okay.
Excuse me,
So
ma'am.
yes, tell me.
I have one doubt.
Yes, Ramya.
It is from not section.
Sorry.
If it is from not condition,
Yes.
if there is 2 statements and one is true, one is false, then what will be the output?
True will become
makes
false. False will become true.
There are more than one condition.
Yeah.
Then what will be the answer?
There are more than one condition. True. That is the same for every time. True will become false. False will become true.
Okay.
Opposite answer you are going to get. Most welcome, Sudha. Okay, so guys, let's do the code part now. So guys, I am having the AND operator first. So definition is the AND operator returns true only if both conditions are true. If either condition is false, it returns false. Real life analogy is, think of it like rules or choices you make every day. And I will go to the park if it is sunny and I have free time. So both the conditions should be true. Then only I will go, na? They must be true for you to go. So for like that only I have one more example, like accessing an event. You need to have a ticket and show a valid ID to enter an event, na? So let's just put has ticket. Let's say it as true. Valid ID has ID. Let's make it true again. Now, print has ticket and just put and has ID. Answer is true because both are true. If I will make any one as false, na, answer will become false. Answer will become false. Is everyone clear with and? Everyone clear with the and operation? Sorry about that, guys. Let's continue. Yes. But for OR operator, I am having another example. We will do another example, okay? Okay. The OR operator returns true if at least one condition is true. If at least one condition is true. It only returns false if both the conditions are false. Think of it like rules or choices you make every day. I will drink coffee or tea. Either one only I will take, na? You can either take a bus or a train to travel the next city. Okay, bus available? Let me just take this short. True. Let's say train, false. Just put print, bus or train. True or false? What will be the answer? True or false? What will be the answer? T and F should be capital. We are using booleans over here.
So it's going to be
Answer
false.
will be true. That is or, not and. For or, either one should be true. And one is true over here. It will only give you false when both are false. Okay? Let me add the note. Or only gives false when both conditions are false. Clear now? I have added the note as well.
So this condition is only for boolean or for string or
Logical we are going to use on booleans only.
only in booleans?
Yes,
Okay.
true and false we are going to use on booleans. These are logical operators. Yes. And guys, now we are having the last thing, which is not operator. And also, yes, only on the boolean. And also, if we are having the answer in boolean, then we are going to compare it. Then also it can happen. I will show you guys that example as well. First, let me just complete that. Okay. The not operator reverses the truth value of a condition. If the condition is true, not makes it false, and vice versa. Think of it, rules or choices you make every day. Not, if the store is not open, I will stay home. If the store is closed, the condition becomes true and you stay home. So if a store is not open, it means it is closed. Store open, false. Print, just put not in front of it. Not store open. False became true. False became true. That is your not operator. Everyone's clear? Meenakshi has given me a very good example in the chat box. Let me just show you guys that. Okay, guys, tell me this. 4 is equal to 4. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? True. Now 8 greater than 9. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? False. Now,
False.
true or false? What will be the answer? True or false? What will be the answer?
True.
Yes. Like this also you guys can use the operator. Okay?
How ma'am it picks trues, ma'am? Can you explain once again? Like both
Before
were there, no?
or 4 double is equals to 4. What will be the answer? True. So, from this it will take true. From this it will take true. Now 8 greater than 9, that is false. From there it will take false. Now true or false. Apply condition, that will be true as answer. Okay?
Means it will take left value like that way or which way it is.
Matlab, sorry?
Like both
So,
value, both it is there, right? One is true, one is false, one is in the
Yes.
left, one is in the right. So how it is only printing true?
That I have given you guys a table now for
because
all
because
or
because one
condition is
condition,
there.
yeah, one condition is satisfying.
Yes. I have given you guys a table as a screenshot now when I was
probably,
explaining.
ma'am, for
Yes.
example, instead of 8, it is going to be 10, then it is going to be print as true also.
Then yeah, because it is or. Okay, let me just
Yeah.
make it something else. Now what it will give me? 4 not is equal to 4. Is it true or false?
False.
False. Now 8 greater than 9.
This is false.
So false or false, what will be the answer?
False.
Yes, now it will give me false. It depends upon the equations which you are putting. Now is everyone clear?
Yes, ma'am. So in not statement, it check only one condition at a time.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, yes. Or what you can do now, like you have given that, you have got that, just put this condition inside a variable, get the answer of it, and just put that variable as print not that variable name. That will just reverse it. Okay? Like that also you can use. Clear?
So
Yeah.
even we can use for text, right? Nitesh equal to Nitesh, and Nitesh
Yes,
is
yes, yes.
Sumit
Like that
able.
you can use, but you will answer in Boolean only.
Oh, see, we get Boolean answer.
Yes.
Okay. So
Go
to
through this,
get the
guys.
Boolean answer, we use this logical operator.
Yes.
Okay.
Comparison as well.
Paris.
Go through this, guys. Others also let me know. Clear or not? That's great, Saswat. Very good, guys. So, guys, with that, our part number 5 is also completed. If you guys have any, part number 3. If you guys are having any doubts in part number 3, please do let me know. Any doubts, please let me know, guys. Everything clear? That's great, Ramya.
Ma'am, will
Oh,
keep hands on and ask in the group, ma'am. Just keep post the recording of today in the group after the class. I will
you guys will get it
send it.
immediately, no?
Need to.
Immediately you guys will
Yes,
get.
yes. Okay, ma'am. No, fine.
Yes. Yeah, sure. But Saswat, be in the class, okay? I have to share the feedback form. After that, you can lift.
Ma'am, only one doubt, ma'am. When we are
Yes,
going to
yes.
take your collab notebook, when we are going to copy yours and then put that code only, everything is pasting, ma'am.
Yeah, everything will be there. You just have to make a copy. Yeah, copy में सब In copy, everything will be there. I'm so sorry, my Hindi is getting slipped from my tongue.
No, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैंने क्या पूछा है वही मैंने वो एक प्रॉब्लम में कोड लिखा तो उसको मैं कॉपी कर रही हूँ. बट मेरे को पूरा का पूरा आ रहा है मेरा
Yeah, that will come. That will come. I'm so sorry. I'm not allowed to speak Hindi in the class. I'm so sorry about that. It just got slipped from my tongue. Okay, so guys, what will happen if you will make a copy? Everything will be there, but you will be able to make changes in that notebook. Right now, the notebook which I'm providing now, you guys will not be able to make any kind of changes. That is only for the view purpose. If you will make a copy, that will be your own notebook. You can make the changes anyhow. Okay. You want to add any extra note, you want to paste anything over here, you want to write down more code, you guys can do that in the copy.
Okay.
So
Yes.
can you provide first week of full note?
I have already provided that.
Now, can you please send all the three things together, ma'am, because we lost it.
Okay, I'm sending it. Just first of all, let me just give you, let me just paste the homework over here. Let me complete it. Then I am sharing both the notebooks for today also and for the last week as well.
You can put it onto the group also, ma'am. It doesn't matter. Maybe we can take it from the group also.
I will. Okay, guys. First, this is your homework. Again, I have created some coding problem statements for all of you, and you guys have to complete it and send your notebooks in the WhatsApp group so that we can check that. Okay? Clear with that, guys? Yes. Now I'm sharing this notebook first. First, I'm sharing week 2 notebook. Then I'm sharing week 1 notebook as well. Give me a moment. This is week 2 notebook. Let me just send it in my WhatsApp group, and I will just tell my team to share it ASAP with you guys. This one is your notebook. This is the notebook only which I use now. Yes, just give me a second, guys. I want to just add one thing over here. I just saw it. Give me a moment. Okay, now it is correct. I'm sharing this. I'm sharing the code link. Give me a second. Give me a second, Arpan. Let me just share that. Okay, I have shared the week 1 also. It is containing all the things. First session, second session, third session. All of these things in the one notebook only. Okay, everyone? Received week 1, week 2 both now?
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. Now I'm sending you guys a feedback form. I've sent you guys a feedback form. Please check that out, guys. And also that picture, that screenshot, now I'm attaching that in your week 2 only. Give me a second. I have attached. Is it okay? Is it okay now? I have attached that as well. Most welcome, Saswat. Most welcome. Now you guys, please fill out the feedback form. And again, the feedback form is mandatory for each and every one of you. Okay? It is mandatory for each and every one of you over here. You guys have to submit it. And also, whatever you guys are providing, excellent, good, average, bad, please provide a valid reason over there in the remarks section. Okay? Most welcome, Sudha. Thank you, Arpan, Ramya. Yes, Sudha, you're
it's very,
telling.
very good when we follow the classes, but we are going to do it on ourselves. There is a lot of syntax error is coming when we are typing it.
Yeah, that depends upon your practice, right? You have to practice a lot.
Okay. So
Yeah.
that's what, see, I'm putting the variable directly. That is, I'm not asking the input basically. So directly variable, it is coming nicely. If you are asking them, it is having a lot of problem. It is giving the syntax error all times.
Yeah, syntax error. You will write it down for 2 or 3 times. It will happen. It will happen. You will do mistake first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time also. But sixth time, so you will do it correctly, na? Just practice it and you will be able to do.
Okay, ma'am, I'll try. Thank you.
Most welcome. Bye-bye. Good night, Sudha. Most welcome, Vishu. Good night. Sweet dreams. Yes, if you guys are done with your feedback form, you guys can leave the session. Thank you, Asman. And I'm repeating, everyone, this is compulsory for everyone to repeat, to do that, okay? Most welcome, Navya. Thank you so much for your kind words. Sure, Saswat, sure. We'll meet you guys tomorrow. Sohibul, Minakshi, John, Ankita, feedback done, guys? That's great, Saswat. If you want, you can leave the session now. Yeah, I will. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, answer will be true. Yes, Minakshi, you're correct. Okay, guys, so now I will be just ending the session. Thank you so much to be there, and we will meet tomorrow now. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Good night.